assisted pistol squat. Hold the bar in front of you, stand on one leg, and then make sure that the other leg is straight in front of you. At this stage, you're gonna load your body weight on one leg and just go as low as your mobility allows. So you can stop at 90 degrees, or if you can feel, you can go a little bit lower, all the way down. Make sure that you push into the floor with your foot. So when you go down, most of the weight's on the heel, and as you come back, try to move the weight to the heel, to the middle of the front of the foot, and try to use as least as possible the arms to pull yourself up and make sure that it becomes more of a leg exercise. And push it to the floor and get yourself up.